How to mirror camera on Messenger video call. Hi everyone, this is Kit and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will see if we can mirror camera on Messenger video call or not. So to find out, let's get started. If you have already opened up the Messenger and you want to mirror the camera on Messenger video call, unfortunately Messenger doesn't have that direct feature to mirror camera on Messenger video call. However, there are some alternative ways that you can do it. For that, you have to close the Messenger and then open up settings in your device. Under settings, tap on apps. Tap on see all apps. Tap on the search icon from the top right corner and search for Messenger. That's gonna take you to app info piece of Messenger. From here, you have to tap on storage and cache and then clear the cache. Here, clearing the cache will help you to fix your problem. After that, you can go back and then tap on force stop and then OK. After that, you can go back, restart your device and then open up the Messenger again. And in that way, you can mirror camera on Messenger video call. And the last thing that you can check is to make sure that your application is updated. If not, sometimes if your application is missing out any updates, the application or the feature on the application may not work properly. So for that, open up the Play Store and look for the application update. If not, update the application. So by following all these steps, you can fix the problem in your Messenger video call if you're not able to mirror camera on Messenger video call. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.